Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Ivelisse. Let's get started. Hi, my crafty fam, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I was looking through my bottles for another project, and this beautiful purple jug caught my attention. I took it out, and as I stared at it, I envisioned a half crackle with beautiful lilac roses over it, trimmed with teal ribbons. It wasn't even part of my plans, but I just had to make it. I started by marking where I'll be placing the ribbon. Next, I will create the crackle effect using Elmer's glue and white matte acrylic paint. I placed a layer of Elmer's glue on half of the bottle, making sure not to pass the marks I had made. I then lightly painted a layer over it with matte white acrylic paint. Immediately after, I placed it in front of a fan to help with the cracking. While that dried, I cut out all the roses from the paper napkin. Removed all the plies, and now that the bottle is dry, I will decoupage them onto the crackle. Trim the excess off. I then repeated all the steps on the neck of the bottle. Once I was finished, I sealed it with a few coats of clear acrylic sealer. And before adding the ribbons, I glued a piece of crafting felt onto the bottom. Lastly, I added all the embellishments. If you like this design but don't have a colored bottle, I have a video on how you can add the color. As usual, the link will be in the description box below, along with the links to more detailed videos of the techniques I used in this one. I absolutely love how this jug turned out, and I hope it inspired you to make something of your own. Just as long as you remember to have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Thanks for watching! If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos.